These are my three confirmations on my strategy that allow me better results in the market. Okay, so the first one is obviously liquidity sweep. Okay, so we got our zones, we also got our lines drawn in order to see price reaching those zones. Now for us to then get the reverse move after sweeping the liquidity. In here, you can see that we sweep the previous daily high, but also the previous daily high from the high before from the day before that. Sorry, and as you can see, we got a beautiful reaction, but there's a newbie mistake here, which is not zooming out. Okay, which is zooming out. Sorry, and as you can see, we got this inducement right here. For, that's between the imbalance and this high right here that took liquidity, and that also forms a major resistance. Okay, so higher time frame support resistance traders will be looking to short around here, so having the same position as the smart money traders. All right, so what you want to do is wait for this liquidity sweep as well, which is going to be confluent to the second part, which is, I think, it's having the patience to not get in on this because that's simply a trap. Okay? And why is that a trap? Because this is a smart money trap. All right, this is how smart money traders trade. They will look for a sweep of liquidity and the break structure, and then once price comes back, boom, it impulsively takes them out. And I know that because price just went impulsively up. And like in this case, a buy in order to sell. Okay, so the first one is look for a liquidity sweep. The second one will be another sweep. After that sweep, there will be a smart money trap in order to trap traders. And we'll have the smart money trap cycle, which means because this will a trap, this will become a trap, which gives us confidence, all right, and security that we know that at least price will reach out down here, even if we're wrong on a trade. So we can at least get a win out of that, or be secured enough to get a break even in the position. And what I mean, because this was a trap, this will become a trap, is because smart money traders easily change their bias. Okay, so here they were short, and then they see this break of structure. They say, "Ah, no, we're actually not bearish. We're still bullish." So price took liquidity around here, which is true, but not really like that. And they will draw this order block right here. So I got trapped here. But what price will do is this. But nah, they will get trapped on a short, trapped on a longs. Okay, and then we can finally look to short if we got our three confirmation. That's timing. All right, because you can have two identical charts, one in, let's say, New York kill zone and another in Asia. All right, if I'm trading GBP USD, an American and European pair, I don't want to be trading Asia session. All right, that's like going to the club at midday trying to get some pussy. If you go at night, you might get some pussy. But if you go at midday, then the timing is completely wrong. The area is good, but the timing is completely wrong. Okay, so timing is super important. All right, even if the chart is identical on one side and the other, on one session and the other, the timing is super important, and the trade, the setup will have a different story in each situation depending on the timing. All right, so in here it started to be the London close. Okay, and so in the London close, I know that London was kind of bullish, New York was definitely bullish, and now the London close will be a retracement of the day in order to search efficiency with the London session. Okay, that's one of the secrets I give out. London close, super important session. Okay, and then as you can see, you just start to wait for something that looks good. Like here, you could have gotten your break structure here, like this, or you can even do it like this. But let's say we missed the entry right here, but let's say we placed ourselves like this on market order, and you look for this. Boom. So in here, we got the liquidity sweep. All right, in here, we got a smart money trap. So because this was a trap, this will become a trap, right? And we got the timing. We got the three confluences, right? So right now, let's see what price does. Boom. This was a roller coaster one. But as you can see, it was actually a retracement of the day, even following the next day, and eventually super roller coaster of a trade. But eventually we got it right here, or even here. Okay? So this is the power of reading liquidity, but also having confirmations on our side like smart money traps. Right? You start to identify, start to add smart money traps into your strategy, you're immediately profitable. I can guarantee you that. Your reading of price will be astronomical, and you avoid so many losses by avoiding so many traps. Right? Because capital preservation is also important. So remember this: liquidity sweep, smart money trap, and timing. Right? Don't trade at uh, like whatever hours. The market is open 24 in 5 days, but that doesn't mean you can trade them all. All right, you can do a lot of things in trading. That's why most people are unprofitable. You got to restrict yourself, right? The more you restrict yourself, the more profitable you get. And yes, it's very easy for me to show a trade in the past, but if I show you my premium, all right, if you want to join, just DM me. Got the premium group right here, and you can see my face again. That I perfectly call that, right? I perfectly call the trap. Always calling out the traps to avoid them. And I called out the trade. Sell GU 27 of April. Okay. The timing is irrelevant because I was staying in Thailand. All right. But as you can see, this is the 27th of April. All right. And you got a full detail, a signal of the trade, breakdown, whatever. There's some EU charts in here as well, which are kind of different. But then eventually, you got the TP hit. All right. So whatever. If you want to say I'm bullshitting, whatever. Just follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm also dropping stuff over there. Join the Discord, get the absolute value that I'm sharing on YouTube as well for free. Okay? Don't be a bitch, work hard, and you'll eventually get this vision without a doubt. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. Please leave a like and subscribe.